Welcome back. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. In this video, we're walking through a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 4th floor walk-up that has no HOA. That's a big perk. If you know anything about me and my investment style, all of the apartments that I've bought are in this type of building because I don't like to be bothered by HOAs. As we look over the neighborhood here, this is in La Castellana in Laureles. If you know about Laureles, you know that La Castellana is residential. It's all flat, walking distance to El Segundo Parque, El Primer Parque, where all the restaurants and cafes are. As we go back into the apartment, we see the living area and the kitchen. You can see that most of it has been remodeled. The kitchen looks great. I love the marble backsplash and the marble floor. Makes it look so much bigger because it's all white. Of course, you could change that if you wanted to. I wouldn't change much because I do like this style. This is the laundry area back here, big enough to put washer, dryer. If you want to do the stackable or the side-by-side, it works. And we're going to go back out into the living area again over here and take a look at the first bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. This is the first bathroom that is a full bathroom. All 3 bathrooms are full bathrooms. It's 159 square meters, which means it's over 1,700 square feet. So it's pretty big. This is the first bedroom. I love the high ceilings in this first bedroom. It makes it look even bigger, and you get a lot of natural light. This is closer to sunset. The sun is setting over there to the west. And it's got access to this little balcony here, which is great. And the other bedroom also has access to this little balcony overlooking the street. As we turn around over here and go back into this other other bedroom. This bedroom actually has its own in-suite bathroom, as we're going to see here. But all bedrooms here are pretty big. That's what I love about these older buildings, is that the bedrooms are bigger. They just built them that way before, as opposed to nowadays you've got smaller bedrooms. But again, this style does not bother me. If you wanted to change it, you could, but I think it looks pretty modern. It looks sleek. You could really make it look nice with good furniture, really nice art and decor, maybe texturizing walls, and of course accent lighting. We're gonna go up these wood stairs. I love the floating stairs. I wouldn't change that either. I think they look great. And we're gonna go into the second floor here. And this person put a desk here, the current owner, but I think the back over here would be perfect for an office. Look at this. It's almost like a little den. I guess you could make it like a movie room or something. Or you could even like soundproof it if you wanted to and put a wall there and maybe make it a little studio. I'd probably make it my office. This is the master bedroom here. As you can see, there's no air conditioning here, but you could put it in. You'd put the condensers up on the roof. Again, no HOA, so no one telling you that you can't. Well, you would have to get a vote between all of the homeowners. That's how usually when there's no HOA, how you make decisions. But here's this balcony, which is pretty big on the second floor. I mean, you could even probably put a jacuzzi up here or a hot tub, make it look really cool. If you were going to Airbnb it, that would obviously be a nice amenity. But you have somewhat of a view. You could see the mountains out there, which is not normal for Laureles because everything's flat. So really like this one. Now let's go take a look at the map and see where this one's at. Okay, here we are at our website. I'm going to scroll down the listing to the map area here, and as you can see, one of the parks right here, and then here's the other park, very much walking distance. The other thing to note is that there's going to be a metro line that's going to go across all of 80th, all through Laureles and Medellin and into Guayabal, and of course connect to Aguacatala. So that means that there's going to be more transportation, more access to this area that doesn't exist right now. This happened in downtown where they put the tram. This is not going to be a tram. This is actually going to be a metro line. What happened in downtown is that property values went up, more commerce came in, there are more restaurants, more tourism in those areas of downtown that have that tram because there's just more access. So we can probably foresee that happening here. So that's where it's located. So let's take a look at Airbnb here. Laureles here. I'm gonna put flexible, just months for now. And since this is a 3-bedroom, 2 couples can sleep on each bed. We're gonna put 6 adults there. Right away, I can see a few here. So let's go to the least amount of money, which is this one here. This one's $1,500 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It was remodeled. It looks pretty nice, but it looks really small, as you can see. Every room is very small. And then they've got the double beds there. So I don't know if this would count. This is definitely older. It doesn't look remodeled. It just looks like it's been done up really nicely, which I do commend them. I think this looks amazing. I love this, actually. You can see that this is like an old house or something here, which I think looks pretty cool. Let's take a look at, for example, this one here. This one here is 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms for $2,200, and it looks very similar. Definitely has been remodeled. The bedrooms are smaller, as you can see. The one that we looked at, the one that we walked through, the bedrooms look way bigger than this, but this is a pretty good comp, I think. Let's take a look at this one up here, and then we'll go down to the 1,800 one. This one is $2,900 for it. This is 3-bedroom, 3-bath. This is definitely looking more like the one that we just saw. Again, it doesn't look very modern as far as like the decor and the remodel. It looks like the old floors are still in there. Bathrooms look pretty old as well with these designs. So this is a pretty good comp just because it is big. It looks bigger, actually. But it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and it's $2,900 per month. Okay, so let's say that you only get $2,200 per month. Let's take a look at what the cap rate would be. If you're getting $2,200 a month, that is $26,400 per year. The annual expenses are about 25%, give or take, depending on how you're running it, but it's about $6,600 per year. So your net operating income is $19,800. If you buy the property at the asking price of $800 million, which is about $204,000 US dollars, at 100% occupancy rate, your cap rate is at 9.7%. At 80%, you would be under 9%, and at 70%, you'd be closer to 7 or 8%. So this is actually pretty good return considering the fact that you didn't negotiate the price and you just bought it at asking price. Obviously, if you negotiate the price down, your cap rate will go up. If you optimize the way you run it, let's say instead of hiring a big property management company that's going to charge you 15%, you run it yourself, or maybe with a small team or just an individual out here for less than 15%, your cap rate's going to go up. So this is the way I see it. This one's great for 2 reasons. Number 1, for lifestyle. If you do love Laureles and you do like La Castellana neighborhood, this would be a perfect place to live. Number 2, if you're just going to be here part-time and you want to rent it out, you could definitely make some money or break even. And when you do come down here those 2 or 3 months out of the year, you're basically living for free in an asset that is appreciating. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Would you live in it? Would you rent it out? Would you put a jacuzzi up on that deck on the master bedroom? If you are interested in this one, or maybe you're looking for something different, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and I'll add you to WhatsApp and get to work. See you guys in the next video.